Hi, I'm Jo, and in this video I'm going to explain how practice for the test works for general training writing task 1 on our site. If you go to our homepage and choose practice for the test, choose writing, you can see you can practice here for task 1 or task 2, and today we're going to focus on task 1. We're going to choose an informal letter. Read the instructions well before you begin and then press start. On the left, you can see the question, and on the right, as part of our Writing Builder practice tool, you have true or false questions which help you to analyze the question and understand it better before you write. When you've finished those questions, click Next. You have a glossary of words which might be useful for this particular question, and you can plan your answer. The blue statements come from the true/false questions, and you can use the purple bars to organize your writing into paragraphs. When you're happy with your plan, you can start writing. You can see the plan on the page, and now you have space to type your paragraphs and develop your letter. When you've written your letter and you're happy with it, click Done. You will have the option to send your writing to one of our IELTS experts for feedback, or your writing will be stored as practice in your results and feedback page. I'll be talking about how to get feedback for your writing in a separate video.